Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Android Keystore and signing keys step by step clearly. To begin, open your Android project in Android Studio. Locate the build.gradle file for your app module. In the Android block, add the signing config section. Define a new signing configuration with a unique name. Specify the Keystore file location using the store file attribute. Indicate the Keystore password with the store password attribute. Set the alias for the key in the key alias attribute. Provide the key password in the key password attribute. Next, include this signing configuration in the build types section. For the release build type, set the signing config to the new config you created. Sync your project to apply the changes. To create a new Keystore, navigate to the build menu. Select Generate Sign Bundle/APK. Choose either Android App Bundle or APK, then click Next. If you don't have a Keystore, click Create New. Fill in the required fields for the Keystore, including location, passwords, and key details. Click OK to generate the new Keystore and return to the signing dialog. Select your newly created Keystore and enter the passwords. Choose the appropriate key from the drop-down. Click Next and select the destination for your signed APK or bundle. Finally, click Finish to generate your signed application package. Your app is now ready to be authorized for release through the Android Keystore. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.